Hey, bro! Did you know there's a bird that looks like it's carrying an umbrella on its head? Meet the long-wattled umbrella bird. This unusual bird lives in the tropical forests of South America. Its most incredible feature is the large umbrella-shaped crest on its head and the long hanging wattle on its neck. But that's not just for looks. Male umbrella birds use that long throat pouch to help create deeper sounds when attracting a mate. And even though it's a large bird, it often stays quiet and hidden among the trees. Strange, mysterious, and one of the most unique birds in the world. Amazing, right, bro? Like, follow, and subscribe for more incredible animal facts.